Yo, what is going on, boys? This is Bethlehem. I'm the creator called Harry. I made a few videos back a year ago, but things caught up. But I've just really had a good time. Last time I made a stream, I just had a good time communicating with the community. And I've decided, maybe I'll make some videos. And I think a lot of YouTubers, they're not developers and not owners, so they really can't, take you into the experience of making and really owning a RSPS. And for me personally, I made this RSPS to play myself, and I just found it really interesting. So that's why I made the RSPS and shared it with a few friends, and it took off from there. And I really want to get back into sharing that joy of getting your own model, getting your own item, your own boss, your own creation into existence, and sharing that with everyone. So this is the hope, to share with you guys some of the things that I do alone. And this is one of the cool things that we do have, which is the mounts. It's one of the only things, it's one of the most customized things in game. So here's the wolf, and you click on that. I made this with Photoshop myself, and these are things that we think about, and we put into our imagination, that comes into our imagination when we put into reality. And so today I'm gonna share with you guys a really small thing, and that's and this is also for people who want to make their own servers maybe in the future, and don't know how. But this is how you put custom models into a custom RSPS. I'll just show you guys real quick.
Alright, just a quick tutorial for people who don't know how to add models or just don't know how to do things. First you gotta have this tool, which I find very useful, called RS2 Asset Manager. It's called RSAM. You can download it from basically anywhere. If you don't have it, you can message me on Discord, join our Discord, and I'll show you. And this is the model that my friend gave me, and it's usually a number. We can take out everything else other than a number. This number kit is just random. And these, you gotta load your own cache. So press load and load your own cache. I've already loaded mine. And that's our Bethlehem cache. And you just wanna first check out if it's already empty. Because there's a lot, this is how the game basically stores models. And you wanna see if this 15936. So see, there's already something on there. Okay, there's something already there. Let's see, what about 7? 7's taken as well. 8. Alright, let's just pick a new number. Alright, so we found an empty slot. Let's say 98888. Alright, so we'll rename it 98888. And then we gotta throw this in, depending on your cache and depending on how your client works. This is a .dat file. So right here, this is a .dat file. And .dat files, you gotta first gzip it, but that's another thing. But just to test if it'll actually work in your client, you can actually throw it in a folder. I'll show you. So here you throw it into something called data raw. So that's for most roos or necrotic sources. Alright boys, and then you're done. So now you press preload, and that basically allows you to not have to zip it. And it's not showing right now, but let me take you to, because it's not actually coded into the game, we actually have to code it into as an item. And so we're just going to create a new item. I've created it already. I'm just going to paste the code in. It's basically just an exact copy of what's above. I don't know what exactly the item is currently, but I'm guessing it's an item, some sort of equipment. So we use the 98888 that we set for the model, and the model ID is what it shows up in the inventory, and this is what the female and male equip, depending on what gender you choose. And this will keep the same. We're guessing it's some sort of equipment. And 20746, that's the item ID. We're just gonna check if it's taken. Item 20746, and it's not. It's a null item, so it's empty. We don't have an item on there yet, so we're just gonna reload the client.
Alright boys, so we reloaded the client, and so here we still don't see it. We still have this test item. There's nothing here, but we forgot that we still need to press preload. There we go. And it's some sort of sword, and this is showing up white, is because my friend is using new textures, and new textures you need to actually add. Remember the RSAM that I was talking about, the asset manager? You have to add those textures in. I haven't added those textures in yet, but I will. We're not sure what we're gonna do with this sword, so he made it himself. It looks pretty good, actually, pretty gangster. It's not fitting to the hand properly, but you can make that work using changing these values. But we'll do it on another day, depending on what we're gonna make it into. If you guys have any good suggestions, can let us know. And hopefully you guys learned a little bit about how we add items and how we do things. And if there's anything you guys want to learn or want to know about, I'll let you just let me know, right? And in the future, whenever we do development, I think I'm gonna record a little video just to show you how things are, how we do things, and while we're in the process, if you have any good suggestions, we can always implement it. And that's probably the hope of doing this developer series, just exploring the source, exploring the possibilities, and hopefully we're going to be able to make things that actually people want to play with. Hey boys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are planning to do a lot more videos and a lot more streams through this channel, and we're planning to give away a lot of things through this channel as well. And if you can see here, we have a new YouTuber set. It's really powerful, and you can check out the updates through either our wiki or our Discord or our forums. And we are planning to give out a few sets and also a lot of items as well through our YouTube channel. And if you think I should do a playthrough series as an owner, you can let me know as well. And I'll see you guys next video, guys. Peace.